Hi, it's Mike here, and I want to teach you guys some phrasal verbs that you can use on the CELPIP test or everyday English. English is full of phrasal verbs that are going to help you with your speaking and your everyday communication. So let's learn a few today. Okay, guys, let's learn a couple of key common phrasal verbs using the preposition out. First one on my list here is turn out. And turn out means to result. So we'll often say, how did your test turn out? Or how did your dinner turn out that you made? How was it is the basic meaning. How did your weekend turn out? But sometimes turn out means things result different from our expectations. For example, I thought it was going to rain, but it turned out to be sunny. Okay, so that's a very common way we use that one. Number two, workout. A lot of different meanings, most commonly exercise. I should work out to stay healthy. Can also mean number two, solve a problem, similar to sort out or figure out. Like we had a problem at work, but we were able to work it out, figure it out, or sort it out. And that brings me to number three, guys. Figure out, extremely common phrasal verb. That means understand by thinking and reasoning. I wasn't sure what the word meant, but I figured it out from the context. So I was able to understand or get the meaning from my thinking. Number four, find out. That's when you discover new information. You hear from me or you read it online and you get something new, you find it out. We continue to find out more about the universe thanks to the James Webb Telescope, for example. Pass out, another good phrasal verb. It can mean distribute or hand out, like giving many things. For example, companies often pass out flyers, or it can mean lose consciousness, faint, or fall asleep. Many workers pass out on the train when commuting back home, right? They fall asleep, they pass out. Number six, look out. What's that one? Watch out or be careful. So you should look out for glass if you're walking in bare feet. How about back out or back out of? That's when someone cancels a deal or a plan, like Elon Musk backed out of buying Twitter, but then he bought it. But I wrote this just before that. How about get out of? Similar, you can also get out of a contract, get out of a deal, but it also means to escape or avoid a responsibility. So there's something you should do, like a meeting or a class, but you get out of it. Here we could say she had to pick up her kids, so she got out of going to the meeting. How about this sneak out of? Sneak is to do something without being noticed. So if you sneak out, you leave without being noticed. Some lazy students try to sneak out of class early. I remember those lazy kids. And the last one, breakout. That means when something will happen suddenly, often used for fires, riots, or other violent things, diseases. For example, a fire broke out early Saturday morning. Okay, guys, so just a few phrasal verbs I wanted to share with you, all using the preposition out. Extremely common to see these in readings, hear them in listenings. Also, you can use them yourself in speaking or writing. All right, so I hope that's been helpful, and I look forward to more lessons with you. Take care.